In this video, we'll show you how to take accurate body measurements. Before you begin, you'll need a measuring tape, a Janouras measurement chart, an assistant to help take your measurements, and 3 reference photos, front, side, and back. To ensure accurate measurements, please wear fitted clothing and avoid bulky or loose-fitting garments. Wearing the correct undergarments will also help us achieve the best fit for you. Bust circumference. Wrap the measuring tape around the fullest part of your bust, ensuring it remains level all the way around. Keep the tape snug, but not tight, and record your measurement. If you're having trouble finding your natural waist, tie a piece of string around the smallest part of your waist, as shown in the video. This will help you accurately locate your natural waistline. Waist circumference. Wrap the measuring tape around the smallest part of your natural waist, bringing the tape together at the front. Ensure the tape remains level all the way around. Hip circumference. Measure 4 inches below your natural waist. Wrap the tape around your body, keeping it level and parallel to the floor. Ensure the tape is snug but not tight, and record the measurement. Hip circumference. Measure 8 inches below your natural waist. Wrap the tape around the fullest part of your hips. Keep the tape level all the way around. Across back. Locate the top of each armhole. Measure straight across the back from one armhole to the other, keeping the measuring tape leveled. Back shoulder. Place the measuring tape at one shoulder point, and measure across the natural curve of the shoulders to the opposite shoulder point. Chest. Locate the top of each armhole. Place the measuring tape at one armhole, and measure straight across the chest to the opposite armhole, ensuring the tape remains level. Full front width. Measure across the fullest part of the bust from side to side. Keep the measuring tape leveled. Shoulder seam. Measure from the base of your neck to the shoulder point. Bust length. Measure from the highest point of your shoulder to the bust point. Front bodice length. Measure from your shoulder, over the bust, to your natural waist. Back bodice length. Measure from the high point of your shoulder, straight down to your natural waist. Sleeve length. With your arms slightly bent, measure from the shoulder to your desired sleeve length. Arm circumference. Measure around the fullest part of your upper arm while your arm is relaxed. Wrist circumference. Wrap the measuring tape around your wrist at the point where you would like the sleeve to finish. Jacket length. Measure from your high point shoulder to your preferred jacket length. Skirt length. Measure from your natural waist to your desired skirt length. Crotch depth. While seated on a flat chair, measure from your natural waist to the chair surface. Inseam. Measure from the crotch down the inside of your leg to the desired length. At seam. Measure from your natural waist down the outside of your leg to the required length. Dress length. Measure from the highest point of your shoulder to your preferred dress length. Before submitting your measurements, review your completed Janouras measurement chart to ensure all measurements are accurate. Remember to include your front, side, and back reference photos with your submission. Thank you for choosing Janouras Custom Design. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact us at 1-868-625-2525 or email us at customerservice@janouras.com.